All right, so much positive energy around here. Josh Nichols, you're going to keep that positive theme going, and I think you said you're going to wear this hat throughout your weathercast
Let's do it.
tonight.
You're a wing nut.
Let's do it.
Do it. You put on the necklace too.
I'm definitely a wing nut. I mean, Leah already knows that.
I do know that.
Wow.
The Bills have the AFC Championship, and we're getting more daylight.
Yeah, you know, in the theme of keeping things positive, we're gaining more than 2 minutes of daylight each and every day now. It is accelerating at a rapid pace. February starts with a sunset at 5:30. Do you want me to wear this for the whole thing? Oh, okay, all right. And our first 6 p.m. sunset is within a month. So, now I'm going to have to comb my hair a little bit later, but we can deal with that. 23 was our top temp today, so still a chill in the air, but not, of course, amongst our Bills Mafia. We could probably multiply that by 6 times, right, in terms of how we feel. The average high right now is at 31. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:36 a.m. By the way, we woke up to some fairly fresh fluff, as much as 7.5 inches in Glenwood. Officially at the airport, 4.4 inches. You probably saw that snow burst last night. So definitely some snowpack freshening that took place. Hamburg, though, only 1 inch. And again, like I said, no snowfall here in Buffalo today, but our monthly total is now in excess of what we would typically see by this point in the game. Hour by hour we go here. This starts at 11 o'clock tonight. Note there will be some more lake flakes coming in because the northeast end of Lake Erie is, as we say in the business, open for business because it's open water. Sadly for that vessel, it's not in that part of the lake. Temperatures will be still into the mid-teens heading into tomorrow morning. Projected wind gusts, it is going to be a busy breeze for tomorrow. Some gusts on the order of 35 miles per hour. We still are under a winter weather advisory, but only for like another couple of hours here for southern Erie County. Snow totals here between tonight and tomorrow morning. Nothing for you in Lockport, but Blaisdell, maybe 2.6 inches into Orchard Park, heading into Saturday morning, maybe 1 inch or so, much less in Colden. And down here into places like Olean, you're not looking at much more than a trace, maybe 1/10 of an inch. 20 degrees is the temperature right now. We've got good visibility because that lake band is really broken up. We're still about 4 degrees cooler than what we were at this time. And it still feels like we are shivering. But certainly our momentum has nothing to do with the wind chill, but we are feeling like we're 6 degrees above zero. So there's that lake band. Again, it stretches all the way into Wyoming County, but notice how it's breaking up here on radar. Still have that Lake Ontario band that will try to move off to the north and east. But notice here as we go into later tonight, this band could still be around for a little while. We'll try to break up tomorrow morning, and then looks like we'll get another disturbance that comes on through with scattered flurries. No big deal. It's later Saturday night that the snow could pick up a bit in Buffalo, and then we go into Sunday morning and still dealing with some lake flakiness, but again, light to moderate accumulations at best. So at most 1 to 3 inches here for tonight. Where we don't see the lake snow, it's just cold. Single digits into the southern tier, 12 into Buffalo. There's your forecast for tomorrow. Again, with that southwest wind off Lake Erie, we are going to find some lake flakiness, mid-20s, 24 in Salamanca. And there's your super 7-day forecast. Again, the trend here is our friend a little bit in terms of temperature, near 30 for a high on Sunday for game day. That's kind of nice. And then it does turn a little bit colder with lake flakes midweek.